Today I'm going to show you how to connect a Twilio number to your GHL account, and we are going to achieve this by purchasing a number under the phone number tabs. Just click buy a number, and then we would do some filtering here. Afterward, let's just search this number. And then we are going to copy that number and purchase that number. And configure this number. Save the configuration. Also, we are going to give it a friendly name like Jim, Frostman, Voting, Save. Probably if 14 still exists, give it a name, and then we would move to our GHL account. There, from the setting, we are going to go under the tabs phone number. In this section, we are going to look for that friendly name Jim, and then add the number successfully here. Afterward, we are going to go under this tab My Stuff and look for the user for whom we had this number, like Jim. So from Jim, from the edit, we'll go to call and voice call setting. From here, we are going to select that particular number. That's our number. Yeah, that's just, we have selected this number, and that's all. We're going to save this number. And that's all. That's how we connect the Twilio number to GHL.